Title: ʻɡlɔ̑ri, Embracing Achievements and Greatness. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word glory. Glory is a noun that represents honor, praise, or great recognition and admiration, often associated with notable achievements or remarkable deeds. It's a term that signifies the heights of success and excellence. Pronunciation: pronouncing ʻɡlɔ̑ri is straightforward. Glory, with a soft G and a long O. Use in a sentence. For example, the athlete's glory came when she won the gold medal, celebrated for her dedication and outstanding performance. Importance: glory is a powerful word that motivates us to strive for greatness and acknowledges the exceptional contributions and achievements of individuals and groups. Conclusion: in summary, glory is a word that embodies the recognition and celebration of extraordinary accomplishments. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, remember to embrace your glory moments and celebrate the successes of those around you.